Hi, in this video, we'll discuss why your Samsung Galaxy Book has a blinking red light and how to fix it. Let's get started. The primary reason your Samsung Galaxy Book is blinking red is due to a defective battery system. Now, let's explore the best solutions to resolve this issue. First, inspect the charging cable and port. Check for any buildup of debris in the port and cable. Blow out any dirt present and try charging again. Ensure the charger is functional by using it to charge another device. It's crucial to use the genuine charger supplied by the manufacturer. If the issue persists, try using a new cable. Next, check the power supply. Ensure the connection to the wall outlet is firm and secure. Unplug the power cable from your device, plug it back in, and then retry. Then inspect the battery. If your device has a removable battery, take it out and check for any visible signs of damage. If the battery looks intact, reinstall it and try charging again. If your device has a non-removable battery, contact an expert to troubleshoot and resolve any battery issues. Thanks for watching. Until next time.